Okay, so this bottom has taken, I haven't been uploading the vids because of the slow progress, because the planks are so small, like in width. It required, like, there's one joint that does the whole side, and there's one joint for each plank going along the length. So just looked a bit weird, so I didn't upload anything, but yeah, we've been getting along, alhamdulillah. Shape's coming along nice. Hopefully it's hydrodynamic. That's pointed upwards and that's pointed downwards for the fan to be able to collect extra water for efficiency and stability as well, since we've got the catamaran style on the back and the boat style on the front. But anyways, we're getting along, inshallah. No regrets because of the fact that there's no emergency and we're able to focus on making it the best possible boat given the time that we've got.